Hello. In this first step, I'm going to import an Excel dataset into Tableau Public. So this is the Tableau Public home screen. I have it open, and I'm going to come over here to Connect, to File, and click on Microsoft Excel. Okay, and now I have my folder open, and here's the dataset right here, salary dataset. I'm going to click on it, and it's an Excel workbook. I'm going to click open. All right, and it'll take a few seconds. Okay, and there we go. So here's our table down here at the bottom. We have this first column, which looks like it's just an identifier column. Our second column is years of experience, and our third column is salary. And Tableau is telling us that we have 3 fields and 30 rows. So pretty small data set, but for just this test data set, it should work for us. And Tableau does allow you to filter here in this data source pane. You come up to the upper right, you can click add again, and Tableau will let you filter. Let's say you're only looking for looking to visualize people that have greater than 2 years of experience. So you can set your range from 2, the max is 10.6, and click OK, and OK again. There you go, and now we're only down to 27 rows. But for this, we're going to keep all of our values. So we're going to go back to Edit, click on the filter, and then click Remove, and OK. Okay, so now we have our data in Tableau Public.